Many nights we prayed with no proof anyone could hear. In our hearts a hope for a song we barely understood. Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could. Yeah, there can be miracles when you believe. No hope is frail, it's hard to kill. Who knows what miracles you can achieve when you believe, or somehow you will. You will when you believe.
Yeah, yeah. In this time of fear, when prayer so often proves in vain, hope seems like a summer bird too swiftly flown away. Yet now I'm standing here, my heart so full I can't explain, seeking faith and speaking words I never thought I'd say. There can be miracles when you believe.
When you believe.
Though hope is frail, it's hard to kill. Who knows what miracles you can achieve, when you believe, somehow you will. You will when you believe.
They don't know it's often when you ask, and
it's easy to give in to your fears, but when you're blinded by your pain, can't see the way, get through the rain,
a boy must still reveal your voice.
Says hope is very near. Thank you.